One thing about me, I love me some hair, especially mine. I am enamored by my hair and it always brings me great joy, but that wasn't always the case. When I was 5, I was the cutest, little tiniest thing in kindergarten. I had long, pretty ponytails, and because I was tiny, I used the bottom locker. I was getting my little Barbie book bag. I loved Barbie. I stood up, not knowing the top locker was open, and gnashed the top of my head. Now you can imagine my parents' undeniable heartbreak and worry to get a phone call saying their 5-year-old daughter was profusely bleeding from the head. I had to get 6 stitches for that injury. A year later, my sister and I are walking to the store, and I'm so cute with my little braids and beads. The beads were pink and white. But anyways, we're walking, and all of a sudden, 2 of my braids from root to tip were in my hands. Now, my parents are concerned, and they take me to one of the best dermatologists in the game. For a few years, I tried different things, got perms, did some color, and caused some unintentional scarring and growth disruption. Fast forward, I'm 20, 21-ish, and my sister has this spray bottle with water and oil we called it crack. And it made our hair look phenomenal. That's where the idea for main ingredient was planted so prematurely into my brain. Through all those years, though, those 2 spots didn't seem like they would ever grow back. I was so self-conscious about it for years. I became an illusionist, doing what I had to do to hide this unsightly insecurity. Well, this year, I set my intentions. I asked God for so many things, one of which was significant hair growth by the way of 6 inches this year. But we all know God be showing out. I was expecting growth in length. I thought I was going to have the insecurity of mass hair loss in these 2 spots for the rest of my life. God sent main ingredient to me to change crowns and change lives. Main ingredient's powerful recipe has not only restored and retained my hair texture, but has rejuvenated the overall health of my scalp and the hair and scalp of so many others. I am so grateful for it and impressed by main ingredient and affiliated products. It was not at all easy for me to talk about this, and definitely not easy for me to share these pictures. I stand behind main ingredient 1,000,000%. Check it out for yourself and you will too. Main ingredient is exclusively sold on Etsy at Main Lux Shop. Follow Main Ingredient on Facebook, Main Ingredient, and on Instagram, Main Ingredient Oils, for updates on new ways to shop with Main Ingredient and great routines that promote growth and longevity. Also for upcoming events and so much more. Thank you so much for watching through this video. I look forward to growing with you. Happy growing. Miss Kenya, out.